Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 6916 Silverton Glen in Victor. Hi, I'm Rich Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. This is a spectacular dream townhome, so let's take a tour. The grand allure of this luxurious home begins with this cathedral ceiling great room. Featuring a beautiful kitchen with soft close well-worn cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a center island breakfast bar. A dining area with a wall of windows and deck access, and a spacious living area with a gas fireplace, all with beautiful hardwood floors. This first floor owner suite has it all, featuring a spacious bedroom, and a spa bathroom with a designer tile shower and a spacious walk-in closet. This is the ultimate private suite. The first floor also features a spacious second bedroom, full bathroom, and laundry. This spacious covered deck and patio off the great room is just perfect for casual dining and relaxing. For added living space, the lower level has the same square feet as the first floor for a potential activity room or bedroom since it has an egress window. Silverton Glen is an area of fine townhomes with carefree living and easy access to the Village of Victor, Eastview Mall, Canandaigua, and Rochester. The town of Victor is a great place to live with excellent restaurants and shopping. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 6916 Silverton Glen in Victor. This is Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here.